Windfall, wonderful audience. We run, we win. What a wonderful day. We're continuing our discussions about chess. And so what we have now is the Rook, which is what we call them castles. I have to cover up the back so you see how these sound. It's very elaborate, nice design. This is marble from another country. And this is their placement, of course. You know, so if you're playing white, you're like that. And if you're playing, you know, black, you're like that. And I know which one size black goes on because the queen is always on the black. So that's the best way to, oh, I guess you could do it the other way too, because okay, never mind that. But anyways, how we have this, how they're looking at opposing, this is the coolest, the simple, one of the simplest, period, because their moves are anything. This is how they move. I mean, literally, they can go, this guy can go here, this guy can go here, this guy can go here. They can go in straight lines. They can go in straight lines at any 90-degree angle. That is as long as it's clear. They can go in straight lines and just do whatever they want. Wait, you laying on. So that is that's how we do. That's how they move. The Rook, the castle. We call them castles, but the Rook, the castle. This is how they move. Now, how do they take? How does a castle take a person? They take a person the same way, just straight. Unlike the pawn that goes in angles, the castle will just go straight and take it. It's really the simplest, one of the simplest moves, one of the simplest things they can do, and that's how they travel, and that's how they kill and do whatnot. So there's no limit. I mean, of course, they can't go through, you know, they can't go through their own people, right? But they can go in any direction. So that's it. And see you next lesson. Remember, live, move, be.